Hi classmates, my name is Sai Kaushik Malala. This presentation is about my business venture ST Corp. ST meaning Smart Domicile. It's a business venture in cleaning products. This presentation is part of the management accounting course. So let's look at the presentation. So here is the overview, the contents of my presentation. So this is the initial draft of the presentation. So there are only limited contents like overview, product details, product accessories, importance of the electric sponge. Later this week, I will add more contents. Let's look at the first content. So this is the overview. This presentation deals with the Corporation, which manufactures a sponge with electricity, which is electric, and its accessories. ST Corp has produced innovative circuit fabric products. ST is an acronym for Smart Domicile. Surprisingly, that means Genius Home House. We have got sponges that don't stink or pinch. For all we are the favorite business. Not just that, it's also possible to electronically control the sponge from a remote device. Moving on. This is the product details. The electric sponge in SD Corp is an excellent method of play when you are searching for a multitasking sponge that provides many applications. The standard version of the infrared technology has a lower wattage and a luxurious high utilization. The standard model needs more time to dry after washing than the expensive model. So basically it has two models. For the customer, what it means is it is electronic and helps the customer to change the temperature of the sponge. The remote temperature may be cold or may be hot for washing the utensils with the hot sponge being hot. The sponge is attached to a thermostat, and this is how it gets it heat treatment. Moving on. This slide is about the product accessories. Most people have no problem with the disconcerting sink, but choosing their desired items is a challenging task. We arrange and pack our accessories out on the sink easily and clearly. Many colorful sponge control remote devices are also included in the accessories. Similar texture of remote devices such as remote hardware and remote such as and remote devices are also available. Multicolored sponges are also possible. This ends the initial draft of the presentation. More is coming soon.